iPower XOS 23. Oops, sorry. 00i. Hooked up to the air conditioner. And I want to see. I think it's 1800.
And that says it's 1800, so it should be right at the max of these things.
It was about this time I realized.
So let me figure out how to turn this on. Oh. Just turn it on.
If only old me could go back and tell young me about right now.
It's on auto on 60.
There it goes. Condenser just kicked in. Let's see how much it likes it.
It takes it. Let's see what it's reading. Oh, lordy. There's the condenser just kicking in. The air conditioner. It runs it. It runs it.
You can feel the exhaust coming out of here.
I didn't even bother hooking up because I just want to see for in here. And the AC comes out of here, so I'd have it bent like that.
Good for you, kiddo.
Yeah, I think it's blowing cold, bro. Auto, and it says it on or whatever on
I have an idea. I'm gonna speed this up a little.
here. Yeah, it's blowing cold. So my idea works. My idea works. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get small limit obviously, but like. Oh, I see. I gotta put it right now. Put it on. That's not here. There. Yeah. Gas it.
Sometimes I wish I'd just shut the fuck up. I mean, yeah.
Back window, pink for the hose to stick out the back. I have that right up underneath the truck, so I've got plans and they're working. Boom. Yeah.
God, shut up.
So, yeah, if you're wondering about generators and all that good stuff, yeah, I think I got the iPad upside down. Sorry. It works. It's Frankenstein, but it works, and I can be portable and put on shows of AC for the truck for this little guy, Nuki, and be able to be outside underneath the tent, put a PA system here, and put on acoustic shows and party all day in the park and throw party music all night, just have a good time. Anybody want to play in a van with me and have some fun? I mean, we'll get weird stuff. Got to close like the generator's great. It's an iPower XOS 2300i. It's a 2300 like max starting watts and 1800 running watts, and you just do the air conditioner, so it can do like PAs and all that. And yeah, so if you're looking for a generator, here's your review of an actual generator doing stuff. If you're looking for like other stuff, hit me up. You know the channel. Like, he's asleep, but he would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed and followed and all, you know, the stuff that us people have to say.